5 Best Motorcycle Phone Mount. Here is the product number 5. Phone holder stand support Handlebar Moto mount. Surface anodizing coloring technology, improved corrosion resistance and hardness, protective metal surface. The clip arm can be flexibly adjusted for all types of mobile phones suitable for bicycle, road bike, motorcycle, electric vehicle. Product material, aluminum alloy. Product features, 360 degrees, double adjustment, meet various angle adjustments. Here is the product number 4. Bicycle phone holder CNC motorcycle handlebar. Product CNC phone holder. Material aluminum alloy. Features steady, durable. For tube diameter 20 to 30 mm. Function 360 rotation, mechanical locking. For phone size 4 7-inch phones. For bicycle MTB, road bikes. Color black, sliver. Capacity, load, 500 grams. Here is the product number 3. Mount clip bracket for mobile cell phone. Brand name, Caseton. Compatible brand, Apple iPhone. Compatible iPhone model, iPhone 5. Model number, NC01. Use, motorcycle. Material, ABS. Type 1, universal motorcycle. Type 2, universal bicycle. For phone size, 4.2. 6.5 inch. Here is the product number 2. Univerola bike and motorcycle phone mount. Brand name, Univerola compatible brand, universal model number, bicycle support use, bicycle material, plastic item name, bike bicycle holder feature, handle phone mount holder, handlebar extender holder. 360 rotatable handlebar bicycle phone holder. Cell phone stand holder. Phone holder for bike, motorcycle phone holder. Here is the product number 1. Motorcycle handlebar clip stand mount. Brand, Untoom. Material, aluminum alloy. Color, black, silver, red. Compatibility, 3.5 inch to 6.5 inch mobile phone. Applicable, bicycle, mountain bike, road bike, motorcycle, scooter, strollers, treadmill and shopping carts. Weight, 100 grams.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.